And what's up everybody, welcome back to yet another video. In this video we'll see how we can optimize our profile with the help of AI. First thing first, we are going to replace our profile picture. I have a logo over here. Let's say I want to change this to a profile picture. So just go to this website called picofme.io and upload your photo. Click over here to upload your photo and select the photo you want. I've selected this one. I'll just place it right here. Scroll down and click next. So now it is doing the AI magic, and with the help of AI it will generate us a lot of profile pictures, and we'll select one of these. Let's wait a couple of seconds until it's done. It's almost done. Okay, I don't want to pause the video, please do it quicker. Okay, so I paused the video and it took about a minute to complete, and now I can see the results. So you can see it has created a lot of different kind of stylized profile pictures for me to use. Okay, so here I can also create other types of images, but we are just going with the basic ones over here. So mostly I like the one here on the top, but we can also see, like for example on Fiverr, if we see our image is displayed in a circular format. So if I click on here, so it helps me visualize how my photo will look on Fiverr. Let's just go scroll down here. So as I said before, I was looking for a yellow vibe. So if I go over here, this yellow color is really interesting me. I'm just so here the difference is that this is a black and white image and this is a simple image. Both of them are looking good, but I'm gonna go with this colorful one. I'll just click over here. You can also select any image that you want to use as your profile picture and click on download, and this will download the image for you. Okay, so while this is downloading, this is one thing that you can do to optimize your profile. The next thing is you need to write here the tagline for your brand. So I'm gonna go here. We are going to use ChatGPT for this. So for this one, you are going to provide ChatGPT with the information about yourself, your brand on Fiverr, etc., etc. So I have a writing brand on Fiverr and I am providing writing services. What should I use as a tagline? Okay, so we are asking ChatGPT for some taglines, words that speak volumes, crafting content that connects, etc., etc. So if you like one of these, you can go with this, or you can also go around and, for example, crafting content with that connects. I'll just copy this. You can also ask ChatGPT to make us write similar variants for this. So I want something similar to this, crafting content that connects. Okay, crafting content that resonates, etc., etc. So you can also go through these and select any of these, or you can generate more results. So if I like this one, I'll just copy this. I just go over here and I'll paste it over here. But right now, of course, let me tell you a story your way. This one also generated with the help of ChatGPT, and this one looks good. I can also edit this. So if I go over here, the next thing that you can do is you can write the description. So this description was already written with the help of ChatGPT, but let me show you how you can write your own. I want to write my Fiverr description. Okay, I am a writer and my name is, let's say, Ali, and I am, let's say, I am a I'm an engineer, let's say. Whatever you are, you need to provide your information, of course. Engineer, I am writing content on Fiverr because I love it. Writing is my passion. Write a description for me. Write a Fiverr description for me. So I can also add that I'm a student. If you are a student, if you are a professional, you can add that I'm a professional, etc., etc. And ChatGPT will help you create a description for you. Hi, I'm Ali. I'm an engineer by profession and writer by passion. Writing is a creative outlet, and I love nothing more than crafting words that inspire. So, okay, of course, this is a lot. If I go here, add a description, let's say, so I think it's 120 words or something like that. Make it 120 words. So 120 words will be better, or maybe 120 characters. I think it was 120 characters. Okay, make it 120 characters. So whatever it is, if it is a little bit large, you can always shorten it up with the help of ChatGPT. So 120 characters is, maybe make it 300 characters. So, hello, I'm Ali, an engineer with passion for writing. I offer a range of writing services, including articles, blog posts, etc. etc. So, basically, you can go here and you can adjust the content that you want. If it is a little bit large and you cannot fit in the description, you can shorten it up or you can lengthen it up. So, basically, you can also make try to you can ask ChatGPT to make it more interesting and appealing. You can also do that. Again, so it will go through this and make it more interesting and appealing for the viewers. Welcome to my world of words. So basically it that the initial line is really appealing now. Welcome to my world of words, which looks really great. So instead of writing I'm Ali, this can work better. So this is how you can optimize your profile. You can go over here, also do some skill test. You can I have completed these two tests over here. You can take tests here. You can also add other skills. Okay, connect your accounts, of course, with Fiverr. If you have any certifications, you please make sure to add over here. Add your education over here. Make sure that this complete section is filled, so that you get more orders. And okay, of course, this among my clients section, where you can add your clients. This will not be visible to you when you are a new freelancer. And my portfolio section, this will also be not visible to you. So basically forget about these two and make sure you have all of these things ready. So you can put a lasting impression on anyone's who comes to your profile. That's it for today's video. We'll meet in the next one.